family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zenchak. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I normally make my black rice water leave-in treatment. This is the type of rice I'm using. I have 1/3 cup of black rice. Make sure that you always wash your rice just to make sure you take out all the impurities from on your rice. And then discard that first water. After, I'm going to be adding in 2 cups of distilled water to it. And then I'm going to start to apply the rice washing method. I'm going to be pressing firmly on my rice, making sure I'm transferring all the vitamins and nutrients from in the rice into the water. So I normally do my rice water washing for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then after, we will also go in with a spoon, give that a good stir. And then I will cover my rice up and leave it to further infuse for 24 hours. In been 24 hours, our black rice have been fermenting for that long. Please note that black rice do expand in water. It's not like the other types of rice. So just make sure you are not putting too much rice and less water, or else you will just end up with a big cup of rice and no rice water for you to use. Secondly, I normally use my rice. You can also ferment this, make another batch and ferment it, but I'm going to be using this as a deep condition. Make sure not to throw your rice away. Black rice is too expensive for us to throw away, so I will be making this into a deep condition, and I'll be using that deep condition on my hair. So I'm just going to transfer my black rice water to my spray bottle for easy application on my hair and my scalp. And then I will be going in with few drops of tea tree essential oil. After, give your mixture a good shake and it is ready to use. Once you are done applying this to your hair, please keep it in the fridge. I normally keep mine in the fridge for 7 to 14 days and it still works very great. Okay, family, so we got our black rice water treatment here. I just want to say a few things about it before showing you guys how I'm going to be applying it to my hair. I am high porosity. Black rice is carbohydrate, but it also have a good bit of protein in it. Now, when it comes to black rice, it's very high in antioxidants, very high in protein. High porosity person, our hair needs protein, but if you are low porosity, you can also use rice water. Now, if you are new to my channel, I went on a 30 days black rice water challenge and I experienced a lot of growth from that challenge. Last year March, I cut my hair and I cut so much than what I wanted to cut. So I discovered black rice, and I was able to grow my hair back very fast with my black rice treatment. I also did try white rice before in the past, but my hair did not really respond well to it, but it worked well for my daughter hair. I don't know why. So that one I decided to make more research, and I came out with black rice, and I got to know apple black rice. So I went on a 30 days black rice water challenge. For those of you who got to know me through my black rice, you guys been asking me if I'm still using black rice treatment on my hair. Like anything in life, there should be a limit to it. Too much of everything is bad. So I use black rice for 30 days straight, and then I used to use it every week. I use my black rice a little bit different from the way other people use their rice water treatment. Now, according to the Yao women rice water recipe, they apply the rice water to their hair after they leave it to ferment for 15 days to a month. So they use that rice water to wash their hair with it, and they only leave it on for 20 minutes. Now, some people also infuse their rice water for more than 24 hours, and then they apply it to their hair, and then go and apply their deep conditioner to it, and then after they rinse it out. That's another way to use rice water, most especially if you are low porosity. I wouldn't recommend for you to use it the way I am using it, because I am high porosity. When I make my leave-in rice water, I have two ways that I make my rice water. One way is I use it on my wash day as a pre-poo. I put onion juice in that rice water. I will leave the video down below to show you how I make my two different types of rice water, the one for my wash day and the one for my leave-in treatment. This is how I make this one. So for my leave-in treatment rice water, I only allow it to ferment for 24 hours, and then after I transfer it into my spray bottle and put it in the fridge. When you put it in the fridge, it stops the fermentation process, and then I can use it as a leave-in treatment. Now, for those of you who are low porosity, you can also use rice water and benefit from it. You just have to use it a little bit different. A friend of mine, her name is Jackie Naturals. She is low porosity. I also put her on rice water, and her hair is flourishing. She used rice water on her wash day. She applied her rice water to her hair, and then she add her deep conditioner over it, and then after she rinsed it out, and so far she haven't experienced any problem with rice water and her low porosity hair. And she promised that the black rice water have helped her a lot with her hair health and her hair length. I will leave her channel down below just in case if you are low porosity, and if you want to check her out and also see how she uses her black rice water, I will leave her channel down in the description box for you. But since I am high porosity, I love to use my black rice water as a leave-in treatment. When I apply it to my hair, I do not wash it out. So let me just show you guys how I use my rice water, and then if you want to give it a try, I would highly recommend black rice water to you. I experienced a lot of growth from it. My hair felt very healthy. It's just that I used it too much, and it came to a point that I did not want it to damage my hair, so I stopped using it for a while. But I'm now getting back on it. I'm now bringing it back into my routine little by little. I'm not going to use it as often like the way I used to use it, but it is definitely coming back into my routine. So all of you guys who've been asking me about it, I hope you enjoyed this video. So I already took my braid down. My hair was in braid. I took my braid down, and then I already sprayed just a little bit of rice water on it. So my previous treatment that was on my hair, this is what is looking like. I have white residue on my hip. So what I'm going to do when I'm using my rice water treatment, I mainly love to focus it on my scalp because I see it as a hair booster for it to boost my hair growth. And since our hair grows from our scalp, I concentrate on my scalp mainly. So these are the things I will be applying to my hair today. I got my black rice water treatment here. And then I got my S Secrets and my caffeine growth oil. I mix it together. That's what in here. And then I got my mixture of my grease. If you would love to see how I mix different kind of grease together, I will leave that video down in the description box for you also. So this is it. And then I'm using my Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair. It's a moisturizing curl activator cream. I still haven't made my aloe vera butter yet, so since this is open, I'm going to use this until it's finished, because when I open a store-bought product, I don't love to leave it for too long. I just want to finish this up, and then I will stop acting lazy and I will whip up my hair butter. So first of all, I'm going to part my hair in smaller sections. Let me turn around for you guys to see. Since we are focusing on our scalp, I will spray the rice water on my scalp like that. Okay, so when I'm done spraying it on my scalp, then I will just go and massage it in. After, I will go in with my growth oil. And I'm also going to massage my growth oil in. Now I'm going to add in some of this cream, like this much. I'm just mixing both of them together, and then I will apply it to my hair. This section is completely moisturized. I'm just going to braid this up and move to the next section. Okay, family, so I'm done applying my treatment to my hair. Just to reiterate this, if you are low porosity, I would recommend that you use this once a week or twice a month. Shampoo your hair, make your black rice water, spray it onto your scalp and your hair, and then add your deep condition over it. You can deep condition how long you want, 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours, and then after just rinse it out. The best part of rice water, even if you rinse it out, you will still benefit from the treatment. But if you are high porosity and you want to use it the way I use it, I just ferment my waste water for 24 hours and then I transfer it into the fridge and I use it as a leave-in treatment. If you also want to go extreme with black rice water, on your wash day, you can also add your onion juice into this and you can use that as a pre-poo before going in with your shampoo. If you have any other questions on rice water, feel free to ask me. I will try my best to answer you as fast as I can. I will also leave my rice water playlist down in the description box for you to check it out. If you love this video, don't forget to please give me a like. Do you like my shirt? I bought this from Garner. I sent some money to my sister and she sent some stuff over to me. So I plan on doing that again to get more of these shirts. I love it. If you love it, let me know down in the comment section. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.